Hey, it's Garrett with Laptop Battery Express. Today we're going to be removing and replacing a battery in a 15-inch MacBook Pro. To start, flip your computer over and remove the 10 screws on the base of the computer. Please note that if there's any tools ever needed to replace a battery, they are included with your purchase. The computer we are working on today has a model number of A1398. To find your model number is on the back of your computer, as circled here. After the 10 screws have been removed, the base plate from your computer can lift off now. This is the battery on the inside of your computer. Let's take a minute to talk about how to remove it. This particular battery is glued in. Let's pretend the blue spots are glue. You need some sort of solvent. In my case, I used Goo Gone, and I placed a couple drops in between each battery cell, as indicated by the yellow dots. If you let the solvent sit long enough, it will seep under each cell, dissolving the glue enough for you to get the plastic pry tool under each cell and lift it up free of the computer. Start from one end and work your way down, removing each cell one at a time, being careful not to puncture it. Be sure to, before working on the battery, unplug it, which I will show you how to do now. There is a black connector directly above the battery. Pull it straight up until it is free. There are 2 screws holding the battery into your computer. Let's remove those before removing the battery. Once the screws are removed and all the cells are free of glue, your battery should lift out of your computer. On the back of the battery, you can see where the glue was. Take a minute now to clean up your computer from any leftover glue or particles that came off your battery. Once your computer is clean, take your new battery, which has a plastic sleeve at the top of the glue, and remove that. Now that the glue is exposed, slide the back of the battery into your computer. Press it down firmly. replace the 2 screws that hold the battery into the computer. Now reconnect the battery. Simply push the black plug into the socket. After that, the only thing left to do is replace the cover on the computer. Find your 10 screws that you removed earlier and put them back in their respective holes. The battery that we replaced today is the Extend brand battery. It has a capacity of 95 watt hours and it has Samsung cells. This battery comes with a 2-year warranty and a 30-day full satisfaction guarantee. It has a useful life of 300 to 500 recharge cycles. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 866-514-2590 for free customer support.